Hello everyone, my name is Ken Singh, or you can just call me as Parrot. For this video, I'm going to illustrate what I have recently done, a POS system that is built with the programming language of Java. This POS system is well suitable for small or medium size of restaurant, which including the feature of performing transaction with contactless such as touch and go, Grab Pay, Shopee Pay, credit card, debit card, or maybe the customer want to go with the cash. Of course, the POS system can be generating the receipt and also updating menu ordering. However, for this POS system, I have made it some additional features such as the one who are using the POS system can check status of employee, booking, reference of the history of any payment. However, need to be noticed that even this project including the contactless payment, but it doesn't mean that it will be able to track and integrate with the third-party payment gateway. Therefore, without further ado, let's begin cepat-cepat and explore the whole application. Alright, so right now we have reached to the source code page of the POS system, and now I'm showing for the main menu one. I will not show all the page over here. If you guys want to have the source code, I'm going to upload this source code, the whole source code file, into my GitHub profile, and I will put the link below the description. And it is actually public and it is open people to have modification or updates. Alright, so I'm going to start with this page right now. Okay, so in the main page over here, you can see there are 6 numbers and which is on the table. This is actually corresponding to the settings of the restaurant. It actually depends. You can actually change and modification of the alignment over here. So for example, I'm going to look for the table 1 and I want to press in for the passcode. Actually, the passcode I already preset it inside the database, so you guys can have a check, and then you can just put on the passcode that you want and also the corresponding workers. So over here for me is 9012. I press enter, and then you will move into the menu page over here. And then the menu page over here at the right side, you can see employee is Kian Singh, and then I'm serving for table 1. And the order list over here is blank because I haven't selected anything yet. And the left side over here, you will see there are different categories: set, breakfast, noodle, etc, etc. So let's press for the set. Oh, looks like very delicious. I'm gonna press for what it is. Oh, grilled beef chop, and then I want to have one more is grilled chicken chop. Maybe the noodles over here. Let's see. Okay, bolognese. And then there's I don't want to go for this. I want some drinks over here. Let's have here it is, matcha. We have a matcha over here, and then we proceed to the submit. So in this payment page, you can see at the left side over here we have an order product list, and it will show what is the product that we have selected just now. And in the middle, you will see there is a receipt, and then it will show the date is what, table number, and who are responsible for this receipt. It's me, Kian Singh. And then the order product will be shown in this side, and then other things like the price and the number amount will be shown in the bottom over here. So below here we have like e-wallet, cash, bank. So for example, right now I'm going to choose for cash. Okay, you will spot out a small panel over here, and then maybe I assume that customer are going to pay for 2 RM50, and over here got 70 cents, so I just press for 150 and 120 and I press confirm. Okay, so we will see the total receipt is 170 cents, and then you get a total change is 26 over here, and the payment type will show in cash. So after you have inserting the number of the notes and you want to proceed to pay, after you pay, you will see a receipt stored successfully. Press OK, history record store successfully, OK. And after you pay, of course, you want to print out the receipt, right? And this actually will pull up a small panel over here also, but this is actually direct to the computer itself. So over here, I actually already connected to my own printer, and it will just show out, oh, do you want to have a print of this? You want to print it, press OK. At this moment, I press cancel first. Alright, so if let's say the customer want to have more adding item, so I'm going to press the add button at the left side over here, and pull up panel again, and then over here we set the set or any other things. Let's say they want to want more this beef, and then they want to have like noodles, and then dessert, maybe a drink, one more drink. Let the this is the espresso. And also you can see over here have a small cancel button, right? Actually you can just press the cross over here. Because I don't eat beef, so I'm going to cancel this. After you cancel, you press submit. It will going to apply into the original settings over there, so it won't like refresh the whole thing again. And this time maybe the customer have the voucher code over here in the middle. You can actually input the valid voucher code. This one I also preset in the database. You guys can have to change if you want to have. And then over here I'm setting for 1 2 3 4 apply 5 ringgit, and this time I'm going to pay with the bank over here. Alright, and then bank usually they will store like for the 4 last digit, right? And in front there it will show an X or maybe asterisk. So this time I'm showing like actually 9012 or 1234. I get 1234 lah. And I press OK, and this time it will show, oh, account number is 1234, etc. etc. Payment type is Visa card, or maybe you want to pay for with Touch and Go. This time Touch and Go, it will show in Touch and Go, Grab Pay, or maybe the Shopee Pay over here. Alright, and then after that we paid, and the print out, and all the transaction done. Later I will going to show you the history again. Let's move back to the home page. Okay, so right now in the next section I'm going to show you guys about the history. Okay, in this history they will show at first all of the history that we install. Okay, for just now, right, I'm choosing for June because now it's June, right? And I'm going to pick for the e-wallet. Okay, you see e-wallet, it will filter out what are the things that have been stored just now. Okay, and then you will see the bank over here, got one, and then cash, what are the cash one. All right, this is like for the reference for the future use. Let's go back to the home page, and we are heading to the booking. And I told you that our POS system is actually eligible for booking also. So let's say the customer to book for the table 2, and then I'm going to write down the password. Press enter. First of all, I write down the name, and then I write down 1 people, and write down the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the date is actually today. Today is 9/6, so I'm gonna write it 9/6. Or maybe not 9/6, 10/6 over here, and then I write 9 AM, and I write for folks submit. Alright, so booking submitted successfully. This is not done yet. Let's say if you have another customer, his name like another M, and then 2 people, etc. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6. Alright, and then the date you also choose for 10 June 9 AM also, and you pick for like over here, like okay, anything, and I press submit. You see this table is already booked at this date and time. Please choose a different table date or time, because I actually set an algorithm which like the specific time in front like 1 hour or back 1 hour. If it's actually already reserved, it cannot be booked. Alright, this is the thing that I have set it. Okay, that's all for the booking. So right now I'm going to move to the last part, which is the menu modification part. Over here usually the restaurant are going to add on some new items, or maybe they will change the price value over the item, right? So over here I'm seeing over here, okay, let's say I want to add a new menu S1005, and I'm going to write for testing set, and I'm trying to type for 10 ringgit. And for the choose image over here, let's say I'm going to take another image, any image, or this myself, and I press the add button over here, records inserted successfully. I refresh the page myself, it will show in here, and I click in anything over here and then I press on the image of myself, testing 1, I press submit. You will see myself is are going to show in here, testing over here, and I press back to the home page. I press in the menu again, I go to the set, and I wish to maybe going to select a new product ID. Again, maybe I'm going to set for another picture, screenshot this time, and in screenshot I press update successfully, refresh the page, myself will change the photo, and then I go to the page again, I press the set. Now I'm being here. Okay, so let's go to the menu, I press set. I can delete the record, and go back. In the set, be different. You'll be removed it. Okay, so that's all for the whole Java application. For the video, if you want to have the source code of the POS system, you can actually check the description below that I have placed my GitHub link, and it's actually public and everyone can take the source code of it, and you can actually make some improvement, or maybe you can do some modifications based on your preference, and actually all is the open source and you can just take it without mentioning it. That's all for the video, and of course I will be going to put off with any project or extra thing that I have learned, or maybe I wanted to make it into video, and I will post it into this YouTube channel again. And that's all for it. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.